Okay, so if your Xbox is overheating, this video is for you. It's going to take roughly around 3-4 minutes, so make sure you watch it all the way to the end. The tools that you'll need a drill or a screwdriver with a T10 tip, and you'll need a pry tool opener or flat screwdriver and a tweezer, or you can use the same flat screwdriver. Let's get the repair started, and let me show you how to replace the fan on your Xbox One, because if your Xbox is overheating, the problem is with your fan. So get your pry tool opener and start prying right here on the vent of the Xbox One. Then just twist it back to the other side and start prying again on this side. And the clamps should open up and you should be able to remove your vents. Next, just go ahead and slide the plastic piece under the sync button right here. And then twist your Xbox and use your pry tool opener or the flat screwdriver. And I'm going to link everything that you need in the link below. Just make sure you put it between these two housings of the Xbox and twist it just like that. They will separate. Once it separates, go ahead and flip your Xbox to the side, because you want to do the same thing all around the Xbox. Do more on this side and then put it again here, as you see in this video. And then I'm going to link the fan and the tools in the description below, so if you need them, check them out, and just pry it just like that. Next, all you need to do is flip the Xbox housing just like that. Then what you want to do, you want to disconnect your make sure here you be very careful. You got to disconnect the power cable or to the Xbox, and here you go, it came out. And then once we plug it back in, you got to remove this to the outside, and then once you put the cable back in, then push down. Next, all we need to do is remove the top screws, and let me show you how to do it. Here is our drill. Then we're going to remove those black long screws. Continue watching this video until the music stops, and then I'll come back and walk you through it. And this is a Wi-Fi card. I made a video about it the other day. If your Xbox is giving you any Wi-Fi issues, make sure you watch that video. Now I'm just going to remove the top housing, and then we're going to disconnect the speaker to the Xbox and the Wi-Fi antenna cable, just like that. And we got to remove one last screw right here. I'll put it to the side. And that's how you get to the fan. So if you want to make you more room, just go ahead and disconnect your hard drive, remove the red cable right here, and then the other one. Then here is your Xbox fan. This is the Xbox power cable. I'm going to zoom in a little bit just to show you. Oh, first thing you got to do is disconnect the cable to the fan. Then if you turn around and twist your Xbox sideways, you'll see this is the fan, and these are the fans has the clamps that's hooked to the heatsink. So put your tweezer in between these two holes right here, and then start prying out. Sometimes those plastic pieces will break because they get dry. That's okay. And then just go ahead and lift up the fan. I'm assuming you're gonna get a new Xbox fan, so I'm gonna link it in the description below. Then just go ahead and get in your new fan and hook it to the Xbox and press down, and then connect the fan cable. And let me show you a trick on how to close the Xbox properly without damaging the power and the eject cable. Next, just connect your hard drive. You need to hold this with your hand, just like that, between the two fingers, and make sure you align it with the holes right here, and then screw at least just one screw to keep it in place. Connect the Wi-Fi card reader to your Xbox and put the rest of the screws right here. Actually, you know what? No. You have one more screw right here that gotta go to the corner of the Xbox. Don't forget to add that. Now connect the Wi-Fi antenna and connect the speaker cable. Next, if you want to connect everything back together, you have to remove the power plate that has a power button and an eject button to the Xbox One. Just go ahead and you see what I'm doing. I'm lifting the clamps up just like that and disconnecting it from the housing of the Xbox One. Twist it if you want to. Lift up the Xbox just like that, and then you can push this plastic piece up to unlock it. And then we need to slide this cable in there. And feed the blue ribbon cable behind the clips. And then it's a little bit hard to do on the camera, and then push down just like that. And then what do you want to do? You want to hook it to the console in an angle. You see all these clamps from the bottom? So you want to put it in an angle just like that. And keep it like that. Don't fold it yet. Just like this. Just go ahead and put the housing on the top of the Xbox. And press down from the back. Just a little bit, not all the way. Just to keep it in place. And then press down from the front. I'm going to show you right here, and then push the power plate all the way back, and here you go. And then put the sync button back in there. Like I said, if your Xbox having an issue with connecting to the Wi-Fi or to the internet, make sure you check the video right here and subscribe to this channel. Thank you. See you on the next one.